Once kids are confident with the idea of matching cards of the same number, we can play dot memory. This one we normally recommend for kids 4 and older. And this is a nice way to turn up the difficulty just a little bit in a way that's kind of classic. So a memory type game, the goal is to turn over 2 cards that match, that are identical. Well, in dot memory, we're not looking for cards that look the same. These two look pretty similar to each other, but this one has 1 dot and this one has 0 dots. And I am not going to keep that as a match because even though they look similar, I'm looking for things that have the same number. To build this board, I've used the cards from 0 to 3 in 4 different suits. If I don't get a match, I pass, that's the end of my turn. On my turn, I can turn over any 2. That's 2 dots, that's 1 dot, not a match. And then it would go to the next person and they would play. If you can get a match, then you get to play again and see if you can find another pair that matches. Aha, and that is 1, 2, 3, and that is the number 3. Those are a match, and so I would get to keep those and play again. And keep playing as long as I can. 0. I remember there was a 0 somewhere. Maybe it was here. Yes, 0 and 0. That's a match. And I can continue going until I don't get a match, and then it would be the next person's turn. 3. I don't know. Maybe this one. 3 and 0. I put them right back where they are. And it's the next person's turn. The cognitive load, the difficulty in thinking has gone up a little bit in this game because we need to remember where things are and not just if they look the same, but if their underlying quantity is the same. So we'll continue building on this idea with some more sophisticated games later, but this is a great one to play with. Again, this is just 0 to 3 in 4 different suits. I'll turn them up to give you a sense of what they all are. The orange suit, the blue suit, the purple suit, and the teal suit. You can play with higher numbers and fewer suits. You can alter this so it's more difficult suits or whichever ones you want to use. As long as every number has a pair to match with, then it's fine. So that is dot memory.